सर्वेत्र सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्. My dear sisters and brothers working wholeheartedly throughout the year in the hospitals in the world, heartiest congratulations dears on the occasion of 5th May, the International Midwifery Day. Dear sisters and brothers, myself Dr. Prasad Bhandari, working as an orthopedic surgeon at District Hospital Thane. Being a national assessor of NPOS, Lakshya and Kayakalpa, I got the opportunity to work at so many hospitals for the assessment. In my assessment, I got the conclusion that the nursing services and the midwifery services are the backbone of the health infrastructure in the world. What is the slogan for today's International Midwifery Day? Follow the data, invest in midwifery. So let us follow the data. Nurses accounts for 50% of the global health infrastructure. How is it possible? Yes, WHO says 83% of the maternal death, neonatal death, infant death are prevented by just improvement in the skills of the midwife. Is it true? Yes. Who is working at the grassroots level? She is an ANM, auxiliary nurse midwife. She is working at the level of the sub-center, at the village level. She is giving the antenatal services, natal services, means deliveries. She is conducting the deliveries. She is giving postnatal services, PNC services, neonatal services, and she is also providing the family planning services by providing the contraceptives. In India, we are getting so many ANMs. They are giving the best services in India. We are providing the SAT, Dakshata, PPI study and Lakshya training for improvement in their skills for giving the services. United States spends 17% of their GDP on the health infrastructure, but India spends only 1.5%. So let us think about it twice. Let us invest maximum in midwifery to improve our health infrastructure. Presently, we have only 2 million nurses in the world for organizing the hospitals and for giving the services. But by 2030, we require 9 million nurses to organize these health infrastructures. So how to expand these services? At the maximum output, we have to raise our input and improve the quality of the process. The principle applied here also. To get the maximum outcome, we have to improve the nursing services. That means we have to give more and more nursing colleges in India. We have to strengthen the nursing colleges by improving the quality education. Also, we have to increase the strength of the students in the nursing colleges. Along with that, we have to run continuous nursing education programs for improvement of the skills in their processes. One more data I want to share, that is what is the population and nursing ratio. In US, 2.9 per 1000 population is the ratio, while in India, 0.5 per 1000 population. It means for 2000 population only single nurse is working. By 2020, with this pandemic of the COVID-19, we have just improved our services to 1.7 per 1000 population. But it is not sufficient. We have to strengthen, we have to increase the nursing services more and more.
Hello everyone, myself Anuradha Deshmukh. Today is the 5th May, International Midwives Day. The theme of this day is follow the data and invest in midwives. So invest in midwives by following data, that is maternal mortality and morbidity rate has to be reduced more. So that we have to invest in midwives, not only in the commercial side, not only in the financial side. It has to be invest also emotionally, psychologically, and peer group involvement, family involvement. in this, and community involvement is also important, so they can support the midwives to do their work properly.
In 2017-18, Bombay Municipal Corporation has given us inspiration by investing 78% of their budget in the health infrastructure. We have to think about it. We have to come up with the thought for investing more and more in the midwifery services and nursing services. For facing the pandemic of COVID-19, just currently we are facing it, and also for we have to prepare ourselves to face the forthcoming pandemics in India and the world. By investing in the Sensex and the international indices, we could maximum get the returns of 10 to 20%. But by investing in the midwifery and the nursing services and health infrastructure, we will get 16-fold. It means 1600% returns by investing in the health infrastructure. So let us think about it, follow this data and invest more and more in midwifery services to gain our aim of reducing the maternal mortality rate, neonatal mortality rate, infant mortality rate and total fertility rate to achieve our national development. Following the mantra, Sarvetra Sukhinas Santu, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukkhamavane. Vande Mataram.